Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is today's look that I already finished my foundation, so my face was totally prepped. I'll let you know what I used on my face. I did the First Sally Unicorn Essence, and I'll be honest, I usually don't use much on my face before. Like, I'll use a moisturizer before I put on my foundation, or a primer if I do use one, but a lot of times mainly it's a moisturizer that I use. This time I was like, oh my gosh, this has been sitting for so long, let me try it again. And that's what I used today. So I used this in place of a primer. And for foundation, I use the Infallible L'Oreal 24-hour foundation, the best one. I am gonna do a review on all my favorite foundations, but this one I really love. This is my go-to. This shade is 106. So this is my shade, 106 Sun Beige. And the NARS concealer is a honey. So it's light 3, and that's honey. So this is what I used for the concealer. And then I set my face with the Huda Beauty banana bread powder, and I love this. So pretty much these things that I'm talking about, this is my regular. So if you watched my last video, that's how I do my foundation and my slight contour. For the contour, I use the Hoola bronzer, and this is really good. Just thought I'd let you guys know, just in case you're wondering how I got here. Now for the eye look, I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I like that I'm doing it in the washroom, and honestly, like, I've done makeup videos in front of the window in natural lighting. The colors look so much more vibrant, and you see the true color. But this is how you see it over here. But what I will do is, in the end, I'll go in natural lighting so you can see what the actual color looks like. So let's get started. So first things first, in my crease, I'm going to do the transition color, Roxanne. It says Roxanne, and it's this shade right here. So I'm going to use that as a transition, and I'm dropping everything on the floor. Just don't listen to it. All right. And I'm going to right here start packing that in. So I'm going to give myself a nice little transition color, and I always use this time to kind of give myself that shape, almost like that canvas, before I start painting in there. So just gives it that little depth right there. And I know this is where my guidelines almost, but it's a beautiful color. So that's all I'm doing, just that transition color here, kind of going this way, giving it that little shape, the outer corner. And then, oh, by the way, my eyebrows are filled as well. So they're already microbladed, and just the spots where it was like a little light, I ended up just filling it up. But honestly, like, after the microblading, I don't really have to do much. And this is only after the first session. Once, hopefully, I have my second session done, I won't have to do anything to it. Maybe just a little, because I'm a perfectionist. Let's continue with this. All right, done this. Now I'm going to take a more like whiter kind of flat brush. I already used this on my other eye, on the eye that I was doing, so you'll see the green on there here. It's like this shimmery type of green. You'll see right here. Make sure to dust it off because there's a lot of fallout in here. And I did that on the other side, and I wiped, and it's like green. So you want to be careful with that. And that's it. I'm just going to fill this whole eye in. This is a very pretty color. This summer, I want to make sure that I'm going to do a lot of brighter colors. I kind of stick to the neutrals a lot of times, but this time I want to be a little bit more adventurous when it comes to colors. So the next one's going to be the color right next to it. It's like a dark green, and that is called Enchanted. A smaller fluffy brush. I'm taking that again, tap out the excess, and now I'm going just in these corners here. You see that? And now I'm going to blend that in there. This gives your eye that depth, that, ooh, this is a rich color too. In the inner corner, almost around. Okay. And that's it. I'm gonna take a flat brush like this, and we're gonna give it some gold shimmer. And this one I'm using is right here. This is a beautiful palette. It has pretty much like all the colors, you know, that you would want. Like there's the neutrals, there's the nudes, there's your pinks, and then, you know, of course, some bright colors too. Just going right in the center here, just to give it that pop. Okay, so once that's done, I'm gonna go back to the first green color that we used, just so that we didn't lose that color in all this. Just in some sides, I'm gonna make sure that I fill that again. I'm just gonna go back in here and blend some if the gold went up, you know. And there. I just had to fidget with the other eye. I always do this. So, all right. I just had to freshen that one up because I did that a while back. So, this is done. Kind of switched it around. Like the colors that were supposed to be here, they wrote it on the other end. And then the ones from here, they wrote it here. Okay. That makes me want to think, did I even say the correct colors to you guys? So, this green that I put all over my lid is called Diva. Okay, so the green that I used in my crease for depth, the dark green, was Enchanted, so that's correct. And then the gold that I used is Queen. You know what? I like that name better. So the gold that I used for that pop of shimmer is called Queen. All right, guys, sorry if I messed up. It's not my fault. That's what the box said. So now I figured the names, I mean, if you guys work with this palette too, all these colors you'll find on this side, and all these colors you'll find the names on this side. So now that we have the names established and our eye look almost done, I'm gonna go in with that deep brown, which is Soda Pop. I'm just gonna go under. Almost to give it that kind of smoky smudge kind of. That's the eye look. Sweet, simple, I'm telling you, I'm loving it. I'm gonna take the same gold, the Queen, dust it off, and I'm just gonna highlight here. So I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone, just for some shimmer. And then there's another shimmer in here, which is called Obsessed, right here. This time I knew where to look for the name. So I'm gonna take that and here we go. I'm gonna pack some more highlight in there. I'm also going to bring Queen into my inner corner. What I did here, I'm gonna do that over here. Okay, we're gonna take this green eyeliner. So it's a gel eyeliner. It's from Ulta Beauty and the color is Peacock. So here, this is how it's gonna look. It's almost like a teal kind of color. So I'm gonna go in, lower lash line. I'm just filling this in. I'm also kind of filling it here. Almost tightening it. I'm gonna use a liquid liner. This is one that I have from Maybelline, and it's Master Precise all day. So I'm going to use this and my. This is my eyeliner done. The lashes I'm using are from Kiss, and they're the blowout lash, and it's pixie lashes. They have like 5 different sets for you, and they're so perfect. They look very, very natural. They're very nice. So I'm gonna put that on, and I'm using eyelash glue, which is like this, like a eyeliner tip. This one's very easy to apply onto your lashes, and here we go. So just grab it like this, and I just paint it on the strip part of it. Some time. They're just kind of like brush it on. And I don't know if anyone noticed, I got my hair done freshly, so my highlights and a haircut. So just throwing that in there. All right, so give it a couple seconds. Guys, there we go. It's on. Okay. Got it. It's Max A44, and it's called Pink Nouveau. So I'm gonna use a darker lip liner with it, but then this, just because I always like to have that. I totally dropped that. Hold on. Nothing too serious. I'm just a little clumsy today. So, all right. So the dark lip liner. Okay. And then nice and bright, going with the lip liner, with the dark lip liner, and kind of darken it in areas where I want it to be dark. So I just gotta go back, set my hair a little bit, and then I'll come back with the finished look. All right, guys, hope you liked this video. And if you have any other suggestions or any other looks that you want me to try, please put them in the comments down below, and I'll make sure I do that. If you like my videos and you think I'm doing great, please comment down below. It always helps to know that you're doing good. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and most of all, stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and of course, comment, because I want to get to know you. And I'll see you in another one. Bye. All right, guys, here's the final look. And this is in a different lighting, so I'll get you a little close up.